how to download all resources in Mobile Legends. So in order to download all the resources in Mobile Legends, it is very simple for us to do so. What we have to do is, once we launch Mobile Legends, this is the interface that we will see. We have to simply tap on the gear icon or the settings icon, which is located towards the top right hand side of the screen. When we tap on that icon, we will come to settings. On the left hand side, you want to scroll down and go to the option called manage resources right here. You can see all types of resources, the necessary resources, the advanced resources, and the extreme resources. And to download all, you can go to extreme resources and make sure to tap on this download button next to all of these resources that you can see right here. So you can check for all these resources, and you can check all these main hero resources as well, particularly all of these hero resources that you might be able to find in this case as well. And this way you will be able to download all the resources, but make sure you have got plenty of storage left on your device to be able to do so. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.